When it comes to upgrading your outdoor space, your deck is where style meets function. And if you're considering AZEK decking, you're already on the right track. In this video, we're breaking down how to choose the perfect layout for your AZEK deck. From colors and board size to lighting, railings, stairs, and even multi-level designs, we'll help you figure out what's best for your home and your lifestyle. Let's start with why AZEK is such a solid choice. Unlike wood, AZEK decking is made from capped polymer, which means it doesn't absorb moisture. That translates to no warping, no splintering, and almost no maintenance. It's especially great for homes near the water, like many we work on here at the Jersey Shore, because it holds up against salt, sand, and sun without breaking a sweat. Plus, the finish is sleek, modern, and high-end. If you're looking for durability and beauty in one package, AZEK delivers. Now let's talk color. AZEK comes in a wide range of tones, from warm browns like mahogany and English walnut, to coastal-inspired grays like slate gray and weathered teak. The best way to choose? Start by looking at your home's exterior. You want a color that complements your siding, trim, or roofing. Another tip: think about the sun. Darker boards absorb more heat, so if your deck gets a lot of sun, a lighter color will feel better underfoot. And if you want a more custom look, consider a two-tone layout. A darker border around a lighter center can frame the space and make it pop. Once you've chosen your color, it's time to think about how your deck is laid out. AZEK offers multiple board widths: standard, wide, and narrow. You can stick with one width for a clean look, or mix and match for something more dynamic. You'll also want to decide on board direction. Horizontal is classic and works well with simple shapes. Diagonal layouts can make a deck feel larger, while herringbone or chevron patterns add a designer feel. Don't forget about adding a picture frame border. It's one of those little details that makes a big visual impact. Looking to take your deck to the next level? Here are a few popular add-ons we always recommend considering. LED lighting is a game changer, especially post-cap or under rail lights that make the space feel warm and inviting at night. Built-in benches or planters can add both style and function. And for homes with a view, modern cable or glass railings help keep the scenery in focus. Little extras like stair riser lights or integrated drink rails can go a long way in making your space feel custom and complete. Another big decision? One level, or more. A single-level deck works great for lounging, grilling, or dining, and it's simple, clean, and great for accessibility. But if your yard has a slope or you want to create separate zones, a multi-level deck might be worth considering. You can separate dining from relaxing, add in a sunken fire pit area, or even connect to a pool. It's more complex to build, but it adds dimension and flexibility. We get it, there are a lot of choices. But that's where we come in. At Coastal Roofing, we help homeowners throughout the Long Beach Island area design and build custom AZEK decks that look beautiful and last for years. We'll help you select the right layout, color palette, lighting, and railing that works with your home and your vision. If you're thinking about adding an AZEK deck to your home, reach out to our team at Coastal Roofing. We're just a call away, and we'd love to help you bring your dream deck to life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.